In this video, I'll demonstrate how to insert a line chart in Excel. Although I could visually inspect the numbers in this worksheet, having a visualization of my data can be very helpful. In this situation, the numbers that I'm most interested in displaying are the quarterly sales for each of the three categories. I include the headers along with the numbers because Excel will automatically incorporate these into the labels for my line chart. I'll go to the Insert tab, Charts group, Insert Line or Area Chart command, and I'll click on the arrow to see the various options. I'll navigate to the most basic line chart for now. I see a preview of the chart, and I'll left-click to accept it. Notice that the data underlying this chart has been represented, and the labels Clothing, Electronics, Home Goods in Q1, Q2, Q3, and Q4 have appeared.